Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a beautiful bathroom decor. Not to mention it's all from the Dollar Tree, every single item. So these are some of the wall creations pill and stick. They are usually over by all the school poster boards and stuff. These are some peel and stick papers too that I thought were very cute. So I took out the piece of paper that was behind the glass in the frame and I placed it on top of the glitter paper and I traced it out to get the background. And I'm going to take that, what I traced out, and then I'm going to stick it on the back of that piece of paper. Okay, so we're going to stick this peel and stick and we want to put it on top of the glitter paper like so. Now we're going to take that and put it inside the frame and then we're going to place the cardboard like so, and we're going to fasten it down on all the corners to make sure it is secure, and we're going to turn it over, and that is beautiful. When I say literally everything is peel and stick except for the frame, this is a quick, easy, great decor. Moving on to a different style. This is a bigger, wider frame. Same technique, same designs, just different colors. You guys are really gonna love these peel and sticks. They are so easy. And I'm gonna bling it out with these also are peel and sticks. So we're going to measure, and notice I am putting the cardboard piece up underneath so I don't cut my dresser. So measure it out, and like I say, just the same as the last frame. You're gonna do the same exact thing, but just measure it out. The only thing, this frame was a little wider than the peel and stick, so I added additional paper to bring it to the size, but I did not like the line. So I would have put the line in the middle instead of on the end, so I could have measured it out so you can see it, but hey, that's another story. So now that we've got the glitter paper stuck down pretty good, and if you notice that line that's in the left side is getting on my nerves, and I wish it was centered, so you'll see what I mean about being able to center to cover it. But anyways, so now you just stick the items how you want to stick them. You don't have to put them in the order I did, you know, I just stuck them on there. But you can design it however you want to, but you see how easy this is? It's just literally just, it's like you're in kindergarten, pasting and sticking. So you're definitely gonna rearrange, replace to place it how you want it until it looks good to your eyes. seal it back up, place the cover back over it, and push the ends down and turn it around, and there you go. Now I decided to add some bling to it to give it a little pizzazz too. And this glitter peel and stick paper comes in a lot of different nice cool colors, so you could play around with it too. And also the peel and stick hand soap and toilet arrangement stickies, they come with different themes too. And like always, thank you guys for watching and supporting, like, sharing, and subscribing. You guys stay safe out there. See you later.